Yes, ma'am. I was injured. I was a pizza delivery driver, but I was injured on the job through a accident at no fault of my own.
Okay.
The other driver insurance, they paid out, but I'm wondering if there's something that the pizza company can do. If I'm missing anything that I need to do.
Okay, fair enough. Did you report the injury as a workers' compensation injury to your employer?
They were saying that I haven't been on a job long enough. I don't know if that's true enough. It happened in December, and then at that time I was there about only 6 months.
Okay, well, there is not a length of time on the job requirement that I'm aware of for a workers' compensation claim, so I would be happy to talk with you more about it. On the other hand, if you did recover against a third party, it might be that any workers' compensation benefits that you were due would have been usurped by the third party claim that was already recovered. But I would be happy to talk with you more at length about it. I do think that it's worth discussing.
Yeah, and you know, depending on even if there was that third party claim, still the lifetime medical is something that you're never going to get that on the open market. I mean, that's talk to our viewers just a little bit about lifetime medical in a workers' compensation setting.
That's right. In Alabama, we're somewhat unique. There are only a few states in the nation. Ken was absolutely right that we have the lowest work comp benefits financially in the nation. But one thing we do have is lifetime medical benefits for what it's worth. Of course, at some point, the authorized treating physician who are chosen by the employers might say that the condition that you're suffering 2, 3, 4, certainly 20 or 30 years from now is no longer related to the initial on-the-job injury. But in theory, the initial on-the-job injury is treatable by the authorized treating physician selected by the employer for the duration of your life. And that is somewhat unique in Alabama. So if you are still having medical issues related to that on-the-job injury, then you certainly can take advantage of those benefits, and I would be happy to help you explore that option.
Mm-hmm.